What's up, guys? Mark Augustine here, and in this video, what I'm going to do is give you five actual products that you could list on your eBay account and dropship directly from Amazon that all have consistent sales in the past month and all are very profitable. So like and subscribe. If you had these products a month ago, you could have easily made between $200 and $1,000 worth of profit. These profits are calculated at over $500 in actual profit. These are not sales. This is $500 in actual profit if you drop ship these 5 items from Amazon to eBay. So if you're looking at this video, take the actual items and list them in your eBay account. Again, you're not going to get the exact same results as everyone else because you're not the only person watching this video. But if you want daily emails giving you a product and a strategy on a daily basis, 100% for free for your eBay dropshipping business, check a link in the description to sellthisnowdaily.com. It's 100% free. We give you everything you need so you can just list. There's no attachment, no payment, and so on. Check that link in the description. Let me get into the video. Guys, please remember to stay till the end of the video. The last of these 5 products has sold more than 20 times at about a $10 margin. So it's a $200 profit valued product. So you do not want to miss this one. So let's get with number 1. So the first item is a LG dryer repair kit. You should see that on my screen. The cost of the item, well, the item is currently being sold at $23.99 on eBay and has already sold 8 times and can be sourced on Amazon at $12.98. What you're talking about there is a $7.35 profit margin on an item that is currently selling. You could list right now. You have the title, you have the source, and you have you could download the images from the Amazon link, and you could list that item for less than what it is currently selling. That strategy is so-called sniping, and you could get that item sold. So that's item 1. All of these items are actually research. We do research before putting out. These aren't items that have been listed a long time ago. This research is being done currently. So subscribe to the channel and look forward for a weekly video giving you 5 items that are currently selling on eBay. So item number 2. Item number 2 is a military grade fabric. As you can see, I'll put the exact title that you should use. So pause the video, type it in. I'm not going to put any links. If you would like an actual email with the full list of the 5, send me an email to markaugustine@gmail.com. But if you would like to just go through the video, copy it, and get these items listed. But this item was sold for $35.09 on eBay. It has sold 9 times in total, more than 4 times in the past 30 days. You can source this item on Amazon for $19.89. I'm looking at my screen right there. So if you see me looking across, I apologize. You can source this item for $19.89. What that means is after eBay fees, you would make a $10.03 profit on an item that is a little over $30. That's what is that? A 28% profit margin. That items are sold 8 times. So you could, if you listed this item previously, you could easily make about $80. If you lower the price a bit and you snipe those sales, you could get, let's say, 4 of those sales. So that's easily, if you list, a $40 profit margin in your eBay dropshipping business. As you can see, all these items, so let me just go back to the military fabric. As you can see, the item came from Amazon, $19.89, and we, again, take the titles that we suggest. Do not change the title. Use the images from Amazon and lower the price. You could lower it by 5 cents. Item number 3, a hockey stick blade protector. That's being sold at $29.99. It's sold 11 times on eBay. You could source it from Amazon. Again, these are items that we have done research on. If you are doing stuff manually, you can snipe. If you would like to learn how to dropship 100% free, comment free, shoot me an email. I'll put a link to my calendar so we can figure out what you can do with your eBay dropshipping business. But anyway, let me get back into the item number 3. So hockey stick blade protector, $29.99. It comes from Amazon at $9.60. That gives you a profit margin of $15.91 on a $29.99 item. So you're looking at a 53% profit margin. Those of you guys who say that eBay dropshipping doesn't work, that really bothers me because we see items on a daily basis sell with these type of profit margins, and you could do that all day. So again, that's item number 3. Item number 4, a poly drum bung caps. I do not know what that is, but it's sold 11 times on eBay at $27.99. So you could sell it for $27.50, $26.99. The item could be sourced from Amazon at $13.97. We're talking about a $9.81 profit margin or 35% profit margin, and that item is sold 11 times on eBay. So that's $100 profit on that one item. And item number 5, and this is the most sold item and the most profitable item on this list, is an ignition coil for something engine. It's an ignition coil. A lot of times in eBay dropshipping, you don't need to have experience in exactly what you're selling, but you're doing research on eBay to find items to sell regularly, source them, and lower the price, and you could continue getting sales. So this item sells at $26.99 on eBay. It's sold 24 times. It can be sourced on Amazon for $13.77, and that's a $9.50 profit margin on that item. Now, after it's sold 24 times, that's about $250 in profit. Let's say a little over $200 in profit. So guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. That is 5 items you can sell right now on your eBay dropshipping account, your eBay dropshipping business. Check out the link in the description if you want daily items to sell that'll come directly to you every single day, 100% free, along with tips on how to dropship on eBay. Let me know in the comment section how I can help you. Have a good one, guys. Peace.